Question 2 gives us a stock standard arithmetic sequence, and we need to get a simplified expression for Tn. So I need to get my difference to accomplish that. Looks like I'm subtracting 3 every time, so that is my constant first difference. And then we have a look on the formula sheet for our Tn formula for an arithmetic sequence. And then we're just going to plug everything into this formula. So Tn just stays behind. The first term of this pattern is 85, so that's going to go in A's place. We leave n here if we're getting Tn, so n is just going to stay. And my difference is this negative 3. I'm subtracting 3 every time. Okay, now we can't leave our answer like this. They want it simplified. So to simplify it, I'm going to distribute the negative 3 in that bracket. And last thing left to do is the like terms. 85 plus 3 will give me 88. Your 3 marks will be earned from the correct substitution, the correct d value of negative 3, as well as your simplified answer. The next question asks, which term will be the first negative number in the sequence? So we have to use the equation we got for it to accomplish this. So we grab this equation and we model it to be less than 0. And basically how you translate this in maths is, where is this thing smaller than 0? Another way of saying smaller than 0 is negative. So where is this thing negative? Right, and now we just solve for n, and that's going to lead us down the path to get our answer. So let's take that 88 over. Just bear in mind it changes sign when it goes over. Now I'm going to divide by this negative 3 to get n on its own. And then just remember, when you're dividing by a negative, this must point in the other direction. So it's telling me n must be bigger than 88 over 3. I want to see what this is actually like. I want to see the decimal value of it. I want to see how big it is, essentially. So just press S to D, and it's 29,33. So what we've established, for this thing to be smaller than 0, n needs to be bigger than this number. So we choose the first integer that's bigger than 29,33, which is 30. So the first negative number in the sequence will be term 30. And your 3 marks are earned from modeling this thing to be smaller than 0. N is greater than this number, and your final answer will earn you the 3rd mark.